Wow! I really grabbed it! And then into the Mitsuya Cider it goes. Wow! It looks so good! A refreshing drink is ready! Hi everyone! Today we are using the super popular DIY candy kit to make a fun drink with these magical jelly balls you can actually grab, and we are putting them into Mitsuya Cider for a totally Insta-Worthy look. I even tried freezing the jelly balls, so make sure to watch until the end. Just making Kracie's DIY candy kits the normal way is too simple. There are so many fun ways to arrange them. Let's start by making the grab-able magical jelly balls according to the instructions. First, mix the powder with water and stir it well. It's smooth now, no powder left. This time, I'm making pink and green gel ball by combining colors. First, I'll mix red and white to make pink. Pink jelly balls in Mitsuya Cider? That's going to be adorable! Keep mixing until it's nice and smooth. Now, mix yellow and blue to make green. It turned into a beautiful light green. This is a fun way to learn about colors too. Now, it's time to actually make the gel balls. The first time I made them, they didn't turn out perfectly round, so this time I'll try harder to get that perfect shape. Let's start with pink. Carefully lower the spoon into the solution and flip it over. Oh, I think this one's a success. It looks pretty round, right? Let's keep going. Now, the green one. So nerve-wracking. There! The shape's a bit off. I wonder what I did differently. But I won't give up. I'm making more. Back to pink. There! Yeah! Not bad! The next one didn't turn out so great. Still can't quite get the hang of it. Well, having different shapes is part of the charm, right? The colors are beautiful. I ended up making quite a lot. Let's see if I can actually grab one. Carefully, carefully. Ah, I got it! It's so clear and pretty. You have to be gentle or it will break. Now, let's turn this into a stylish drink. First, put some ice in a glass. It already looks refreshing. Then, pour in everyone's favorite Mitsuya Cider. That fizzy sound is so nice. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for at the jelly balls. So exciting! Wow, it looks amazing! The colors pop even more in the cider. Let's add some more. It looks so cool and refreshing. It's going to taste amazing for sure. Stir it up a bit, even more colorful and refreshing. So what do you think? We made this beautiful drink using Mitsuya Cider and the grab-able magical jelly ball DIY candy kit. Perfect for a hot day. Let's give it a try. Itadakimasu. Wow, delicious! The fizzy cider and the chewy jelly balls are such a great combo. I totally recommend this. Please try it for yourself. And here's a little bonus thing. I tried freezing the jelly balls. Wow! Let's try one. Interesting. It's kind of like frozen jelly, almost like a sherbet. Another tasty way to enjoy them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye.